Alright guys, yo, what's up? It's Skellyhead, and today we're gonna be trying out dynamic joysticks. If you play PC, you might not know what dynamic joysticks are, but basically what they are they're joysticks, but they appear wherever you put your finger instead of just being set. So it's a bit like harder because you have to like drag everything instead of just pressing it. If it's kind of hard to explain, the only real way to understand it is by going on mobile and trying out dynamic joysticks. So yeah, we're gonna try using it today. The main advantage is because whenever you're using them, you can throw grenades farther in certain directions. So yeah, that was a good snipe. Alright. Nice, okay. Ooh, 7 kills. Alright. Well, so yeah. I normally don't use dynamic joysticks, so I think it'll be pretty fun to try out dynamic joysticks. How many times have I said dynamic joysticks? Alright, so, yeah. Ooh, oh, come on, bro. Okay, I hit him. Okay, if I can get, like, a throwable or something. I don't know. But, yeah, it's actually, like, really hard to aim, so, yeah. Okay, nice pump. Shotguns are pretty hard, so I want to try and get better at them on dynamic joysticks. Because, like, dynamic joysticks, you can't, I guess you need a lot more muscle memory to be good with dynamic joysticks. Because you have to remember to drag it and remember exactly where to put the joystick every time. So, yeah, or else your aim's just going to be completely off. But yeah, you can throw grenades farther downwards and to the right. Because normally, if you don't use dynamic joysticks, then that makes, your... Oh, hit him. Okay. Nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I died. Okay. Because, sorry, normally your joystick is kind of like down and to the right, so it's a bit harder. I didn't know really what kind of video I should make. So I just thought this might be fun to try and do. So yeah. You know what I think they should add for mobile? They should allow you to have a setting that allows you to completely change your layout. So then you can have like your aiming the joystick more in the middle, and you can have like certain weapon slots closer to your thumb, so then you can like switch between them faster. Like what I would personally do is I would make my first 2 joysticks, I would make them where my map is. Because that's where I put my thumb, that's where I put my pointer finger. I use my pointer finger to check the map and interact. So yeah. So then I could like easily switch between the two, because I already do that. I already switch from map to interact. So yeah. Then like double pump on mobile would be a lot better. Because, I mean, I don't really want to use claw to the point where it's like all the way. It just kind of hurts my pointer finger to try and make my pointer finger go all the way down there. So, yeah. I hope I explained that well. So, I think this is probably going to be the last game we play with it. So, Silence SMG is probably better. So, I'm probably better with it right now. So I'm just going to practice some with the pump. Alright. Peak shots are good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's actually like really difficult. Because you have to drag it. And I don't know why that's so hard, but like, it just is. Alright, so we got some throwables. So, yeah. If it was like grenades or something, maybe I would like demonstrate it, but since cactus bombs can really hurt you, I'm not. Okay. Oh, see, yeah, this is kind of a fail. Bop. Ooh, nice. That was actually pretty nice. Okay, see that practice back there? It paid off. Okay, there's a guy right there. Dang, I want to grab that purple AR-15. Okay. Alright. Just gonna try to get back in the house. What was that lag spike? Oh man. Yikes. Okay, heal up. Alright, I like this, like, skin combo. I think it's, like, really simple, but, like, the, like, axe looks pretty good with the default. Because, yeah, that's where, like, all the detail is going in the skin. And the default is a pretty nice color. So, oh, that was a fail. See, it went really far because I put it, like, close to the middle. The way you throw grenades farther on mobile are by, it's not about if like the grenade looks like it's stretched out at the maximum level. Oh, that would have been good if that hit. It's more about like where your thumb is. Okay. Let's try and get this guy. Bop, bop. No! Dang it. Alright. I was so calm, I thought we were going to win that fight. Oh, man. Alright, well. I think that should do it for this challenge. I think I explained it pretty well. I've got 2 pretty good clips to show you. So, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.